Hello and welcome to another episode of The Naked Turner. Today I'm turning this chunk of red cedar gumwood eucalyptus from a friend named Stephen Brazil, and he was so kind as to gift this piece to me, come all the way in and meet up with me here locally so that he could give me this piece as well as a large piece of walnut, it's probably about a 16 inch or 14 to 16 inch by 16 inch chunk of walnut. I'm just not quite feeling up to turning something like that right now, so I'm going to start on this. And because this is some very intensely dry and I'm sure has lots of toxins in the oils in this wood, I will definitely be wearing my Air Shield Pro, and I'll be turning this piece. Looks like it's about 8 3/4 inches, but I'm going to lose some of this stock. So anyway, remember, turn safe, turn smart. The longer you turn safe and smart, the longer you turn. And the other thing to remember is think outside the box. Don't always do something the same way. If something is working for you, that's great, but remember to change the way you do things quite often, because you may run into a new innovation for yourself that might lead you down a new road. So take those new roads. Think outside the box when you're turning. All right, let's get turning. Got a fair amount of wobble here. Okay, so there's a split right here. I'm going to put some CA glue down into that and then stick it back on the lathe. I still have it mounted, so it'll still be on center, but I need to fill that because it's got pretty good little split right there. Okay, so I've taken some thin CA and filled the crack here, and now I'm going to do a tiny little bit of microplaning. And when I say microplaning, what I mean is I will be using the edge of my gouge in a way where I have it tilted and I'm using it as a shear scraper and microplaning away little, literally microns of wood. Okay. Oh. All right, let's get started. Spinning up around 2,000 RPM. All right, it's really tight in here, so I'm trying to make this work, but if I'm in your way, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm coming in here, try to move my hands out of the way. Okay, there's one. Leave a little space. And a little twist of the handle. There we go. That's got it. Okay, so now I'll be coming in with this. Moving in, coming up, it's up there, and bringing up to speed. And I'm going to be making one line right here. Another line right here. And a line out here. There we go. And now I need to clean up the edge of my mortise. All right, and there's what it looks like. A little bit of polishing and sanding, and I think I got a fairly good texture on the bottom. A little mess up in the very middle, but I think it'll be fine. All right, a little bit of Yorkshire on there. Let that sit in for a second, and then I'll come back and buff it up. Now I'm putting some microfine abrasive paste on. right, and now popping this on, scrolling chuck. Expanding and expanding. I don't want to expand too much. There is one little split on the outside rim of this here still, but I think I have it pretty well sealed up. So I'm going to give a go at this. It's anchored in my chuck now, and we will be removing I'm using my 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch Robert Sorby heavy duty scraper as well as my bowl gouge in order to refine the surface on the inside of this bowl. All right, so thanks for watching this episode of The Naked Turner with this beautiful piece that Stephen had given me. I think it's really going to turn out pretty. I'll put a little bit of oil and wax on this, buff it up, take some still images, and if you like what you saw on The Naked Turner today, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're so inclined, leave a comment, and even go out of your way and share the video. That would help me get more subscribers. It might even, I might get paid every once in a while. Lately, I've been getting about $40, $36 to $40 a month doing my videos. It's because I've kind of stopped doing as many videos. I used to get around $50 a month. So just to let you know, I'm not making a lot doing these videos. So if you could share them, give me a thumbs up, make a comment. Every little bit helps. I really appreciate it. And it's not easy producing the videos, making the content, finding the time, editing them down, and then posting them. So to all you other creators out there, I really appreciate your time and energy as well. Thanks, and I appreciate you.